welcome to Let It Shine. So my son's been with me for 2 days now. It's half term. Yesterday was terrible, wasn't it? What happened yesterday?
Yeah, it started raining.
How long was we working for? About an hour?
Oh.
Started belting it down. Yeah. So we had another go today. We've got from 8:30 till just gone 12 now, and it's looking really, really wet.
How many houses did we do?
I think about 9 today. 9, something like 9, with a few bits of guttering in.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll show you some clips of the day. Terrible time for window cleaners this time of year. Rain, rain, rain. That's all you can expect. How did you enjoy your first 2 days?
Good.
Well, I say 2 days. I mean, it was basically 5 or 6 hours, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back with another video soon.
Bye.
If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. So the weather was horrendous, not just for that day, Monday, Tuesday at the start of November, but the rest of the week. It's Thursday now, so I'm sitting home making this video. Obviously, he's 12, he had to get paid for the day's work he did, and to be fair, he done quite well. So this is what he got paid. So obviously he didn't do the work for free. I've had to bring him to Smith's, haven't I?
Yeah, I know. I'll get one of these.
He's definitely getting one of them. So this is how I have to pay him.
I don't know if I want thing else in mine.
So Roman Reigns,
Logan Paul, and LA.
There was a Logan Paul one for 3,500, crazy. Right, so you've been paid.
Yep.
Next time.